Hello. So today we'll discuss two issues. One is the forbidden error and the another one is index of error. And both are similar to each other. So many times we get the forbidden error and many times we get the index of issue. And let's see why this happens. So if you go to ccPanel and the place where you upload your website. So when you see the file name, which is the landing page, right? In this time I have the landing page name is home.html and index.html, right? So index is what my website is looking for and home.html is what uh, the by default page for GoDaddy. So we can try to fix it by maybe the file name, right? It is starting with capital H. If we make it small h because it is a case sensitive, and if I just rename this, let me rename, and I try to access, this is started working on the same way. Let's see if this is capital H because this is the file name expected by GoDaddy, and the index is what expected from my website. This time also it will work. So the problem is with the name of the file because it was case sensitive and due to that only it was failing. So if I just revert this, right, I am getting the forbidden. So you can try this and this forbidden error could be fixed. Now we'll discuss the another problem, and that is what about index of. So I see many places due to the file name itself, right? This happens and it is depend on which uh, hosting environment you are choosing. If it is a Linux or if it is a different one, right? Based on that it shows. So in my case it was showing forbidden. In your case maybe it will show you index of. So you can try this. You can just rename the file, try with HTML, right? And another thing you can try with HTML also, right? HTML and another file you can create with HTML. So what the hosting environment look is, it looks for let's see, index.htm. if it find .htm, it will look for that file first, then it will look for the HTML, and then the last third option is .php. So you can try this. It will fix your index of issue, right? Or you can just see if the file name is correct, if it should not be in uppercase or lowercase. It is the exact file name what is expected by the application. So this could be fix your index of issue. Another way is, let's see, many times this is happens with me also. All file name was correct but still I was seeing this issue, and to fix what I did is, you just need to go to your domain, the website hosting environment, and you can see this is my hosting environment where you see the server. In server, see the IP address. This is the IP address. Now you go to the domain, right, and see what is the IP address here. If this IP address is not matching with this, that will definitely show you this issue, index not found issue. So you can fix this by matching the IP address on the domain and the hosting environment. So this will fix your index of issue. So hopefully this will help you. Thank you.